Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I don't have instant noodles. I have a collaboration between an instant noodle company and I guess you would either call it a potato chip, but I don't think it's potato. Maybe more of a corn chip, but not something you really consider a chip. Maybe this would just fall under the category of crisps in the UK. We're not in the UK. I'll just show you. Funyuns. Maruchan hot and spicy chicken flavor collaboration device thing right here. And found these at 7-Eleven. This is part of a big rollout that Maruchan is doing this summer of different products, and this one is a collaboration, and here is what they look like. So I'll just eat one of these and let you know what I think. So mostly I'm getting Funyun. I'm getting a little bit of heat and a little bit of the flavor that I would approximate as of a like a chicken instant Maruchan instant lunch, little cups. So I mean, it's what it is. I saw some things saying this is the flavor we never knew we needed of Funyuns. It's like, I'm sorry. It's all right. I tried these last night too. It's alright, but I mean, it's not like earth-shattering. And anyways, why would it be? It's Funyuns. But then again, you know, it's cool. It's something new to try. I'm all about trying new things. Here's a bowl that Maruchan sent me a while back that I think would work perfect for presentation. I could have gone to the store and gone totally crazy and gotten all sorts of stuff and totally pimp these out, but I'm going to use these in something coming up. I'm doing 4 today. This is one of them, but they've got 2 new varieties of their yakisoba that I'm going to do. They sent me like a ton of them, and of all the different kinds. Some of them I haven't reviewed in like 14 years, like the next episode you're going to see. But I might just have to do a definitive guide on them because there's so many varieties. So I'm just gonna put a bunch of these in the bowl, and then you can have a nice photo of a bowl of flavored Funyuns, you know. I guess the correct question is, are they horrible? No, not at all. They're pretty good. Are they amazing? Yeah, they're okay. You know. This is not, by the way, the first instant noodle company and snack chip collaboration I've run across. This isn't my first rodeo. Nissen did Pringles at one point. But those weren't everywhere. Those were only at Dollar General stores. I had to get the ones that I reviewed for that on eBay, which is kind of crazy. And they didn't show up very well. I got these at 7-Eleven. Yeah. All right. Well, yeah, cool. Limited edition Funyuns. You can find them at a place where you buy things, most likely. Yeah. And the next one you're going to see is this. I haven't done this in 13 years. I think the last time I reviewed this was March 21st, 2011. That's a long time ago. Wow. Wow. I hadn't even been married a year. Crap. But yeah, that'll be the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.